face fluorescent, looks different in the daylight. Like, was it a love affair or just a lot of late nights? Like, you had the speaking parts, but I guess I was the playwright. Oh, oh, oh. I couldn't escape you like the airwaves at the baseline. I couldn't erase you like a tattoo on my waistline. If it was a first kiss, how come it felt like a snake bite? Oh, oh, oh. I wish I would have seen it sooner. Why did it take me just to say it? I wasn't your cliche. Oh no, this is my coming of age. My coming of age. My coming of age. I'm quarrying new ground and I'm burning all your CDs. Baby, I am the Iliad, of course you couldn't read me. So I'll leave you behind, but that don't mean it's easy. Oh, oh, oh. I wish I would have seen it sooner. Why did it take me just to say it? I wasn't your cliche. Oh no, this is my coming of age. I send my silence away, printing my blood on the page. You stole my love and I paid, but you couldn't keep what you couldn't take. I know I made you the big star. I let you butcher my big heart, but it's my song and my stage.